There is an herb that has anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antiparasitic, antiviral, astringent, emetic, laxative, and pain-killing properties. What is this amazing herb? It's black walnut, and it's the herb of the month. This is a black walnut tree, and these are black walnuts that are nearly ready to drop. Hopefully not on my head. We have 6 of these ankle twisters in our yard. While many people enjoy eating black walnuts in cookies, brownies, and ice cream, the nuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids that may help support your cardiovascular health. They are also a good source of fiber and protein, as well as vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. The anti-inflammatory properties of black walnuts may help keep you from developing heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. Welcome to the Old Mayfield Place. I'm Snow, the farmer's wife, and I teach you to be more self-sufficient in so many ways, such as growing your own food, using herbal medicine, and preserving food for long-term storage. The green hulls of black walnuts can be made into herbal remedies that can be used to treat many health conditions. While the blackened hulls can be used to make tinctures and salves, the green hulls are more potent, so I'm picking up the walnuts that haven't been on the ground for very long. The green walnuts that are still clinging to the tree aren't quite mature and will have less medicinal value than those that have fallen off, so leave them until just after they hit the ground. This green hull can be dried and powdered to create poultices and salves for using on eczema, psoriasis, poison ivy, and other inflammatory issues with your skin. But be aware that it can cause dark brown staining on the skin, so you probably don't want to use this on areas that are visible, such as your face or hands. That's also why I wear gloves to pick up the fruits. I don't want to have stained hands for the next few weeks. If you're new to herbal medicine, it may seem a bit overwhelming, but you don't have to know everything about every herb. Even master herbalists don't know everything about every herb. But if you can know 5 or 10 herbs really well, knowing what they're used for, how they are used, and who shouldn't use them, you can take care of most of the health issues that you and your family face. By concentrating on one herb each month, by the end of the year, you will be confident in using 12 herbs safely and effectively. Black walnut is also used in tinctures to be taken internally for various issues, such as upset stomach, constipation, and diarrhea. The active ingredient in black walnut hull isn't very water-soluble, and an alcohol tincture will make the strongest medicine. While there are usually no side effects from black walnut hull, some people are allergic to tree nuts, and extreme caution should be used. Do not give this to anyone with tree nut allergies. There are no known drug interactions with black walnut, but if you have any chronic health issues, if you take any prescription medications, or if you're pregnant or nursing, always consult with a healthcare provider that is trained in both conventional and herbal medicine to keep yourself safe. Black walnut has been used to treat candidiasis, a fungal problem caused by overgrowth of candida in the intestines. It is also great at helping your body rid itself of parasites such as tapeworms, roundworms, and pinworms. The adult dose of tincture to help your body rid itself of worms is 1/2 teaspoon twice a day for 3 days, then repeat this in 3 weeks. This way you can get rid of the worms now, and when their eggs hatch out in 3 weeks, you will also get rid of them. Because of the antimicrobial benefits of black walnut hull tincture, you can use it topically for ringworm and minor cuts and scrapes. Remember, this will stain your skin and it will sting for a few seconds because of the alcohol, but it can be very effective to help prevent infections. Thank you for stopping by the Old Mayfield Place today. Stay healthy, don't forget to wear your gloves, and have a blessed week.